Hey guys, and welcome everybody to today's section of the crypto market. My name is Femi, and it's another awesome time in the market. And it's red as usual. As you can know, we expected it from yesterday. I told you guys do not listen to the Moon Boys, do not pay attention to whatever they're saying. They're going to tell you a bullish momentum, all the blah 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 blah. And we expected this, as you can see in our video from yesterday, right? I told you urgent update. Is this a Bitcoin, a fake out, or it's a breakup? And listen to what I said here.
Good and a complete breakout. So I believe this is a fake out and we might still just come and dump back down, right? And don't take my word for it, right? Because the crypto markets normally change, as you can see.
Can you see? Can you remember me telling you yesterday in the videos, right, that this was a fake out, and I don't want you, right, to be caught in the fake out, right? And I said it through yesterday, and I said, uh, as you go through the markets, don't be blinded by all the moon boys and everything they are saying. That is a fake out, right? And we actually saw a dump in the market, as you can see here. Everything is red, dash went back by 5.5%, KSM and all the other rest. And today we'll just look at the Bitcoin charts and look at what it's going to do for today and all the other things we're going to check on the way the market is going to perform today. Let's go back to our charts, right? And this is the Bitcoin charts. And then, as we can see from the weekly, right, we've been consolidating around this period, and we've been saying that we're expecting one new lower low, all right. And after our lower low, that's when we could think of a bottom, as you can see in the MACD, right? The MACD is already bottoming out, right, on the weekly, and so we're very close to the bottom. We are very close to the bottom of the uh dump, right? So this is the time you should be very cautious of what is happening in the market, because we are very close, right, to the bottom of what's happening in the market. If we go down to the daily, you would see that we're, like we said yesterday, we're expecting a bottom, right? There was a big upside and everybody was already bullish, right? Yeah, is this the bottom? Blah 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 blah. It was a double, but I told you guys, remember, I continue to say it. Do not be bullish. Do not be bullish. This was actually a fake out. It was actually a fake out. And as you can see, it played out exactly as I said. It is actually a fake out. And we're still expecting one more dump, as we could see in the MACD. The MACD on the daily, right, is about flipping downwards, right? So we're expecting more dump, as we've always been saying. We've always been expecting this, right? This was not new to us on the channel if you've been following us, right? This was just coming down. We expected this at this period. We expected it to move down. We expected a rejection. We knew this is a fake out, and we were ready for this. For some of you that were trading this, I'm sure you traded it, right? We knew this was the fake out, and we knew we're expecting lower lows, and right, and we're going to be bottoming out around the 25, 26K level, right? And so we're expecting it, and so we prepared for it, right? And so in the markets today, as we can see, the market is moving. We're still in the 29K region, and we're still expecting more dump, right? Even to the 26 or 25K region, right? As you can even see from the MACD is already turning bearish, where the upside we're about moving downwards, right? That's on the daily. If we can go to the 4 hourly, as you can see, the 4 hourly is already turning bearish, right? We know every single time we have a MACD cross. Like that, a MACD cross means the red line moves up and the blue line moves down. We could see that there's actually a very downward bearish momentum. As you can see, same is just happening on the 4 hourly. So we're still expecting a lot of downside, as we've already been saying all the time, right? That we are still expecting downsides on the chart, and we're still expecting for more lower lows to around the 26K, 25K region. So as you can see on the chart today, don't be caught up in the FOMO, don't be caught up in this thing. Careful if you're trading. For some of you that want to leverage trade, be very careful because the market makers might want to stop you out. So it might be something like this and like this, right? Something just go like this, like this. So if you see if you see the charts going up, don't be deceived. It might just be the initial pump for a bigger dump, right? So please don't be deceived. As you can see, even in the EMA rebounds, we're still below the EMA rebounds, still below the EMA rebounds, as you can see here, right? And one of the things we're also considering is the RSI, is the stock RSI. As you can see in the stock RSI, right, we are actually very up, and we're expecting the stock RSI to come to around 4 to 5 region before we can start buying. So we're still far from bottoming out. We're very far from bottoming out. As you can see, even the RSI is still at the middle region around the 52 percent region. So we're expecting the RSI to come to about the 23% region, and stock RSI, right? Stock RSI to come to about the 5 or 4% region, right? And then would have had a bottom, would have established a bottom for the chart. So we're expecting the RSI, right, the stock RSI, right, to come down to about the 5% region, and we're expecting the RSI for the Bitcoin chart on the daily to come to about the 23, 22K region, right? 12K region, and then that's when we'll have a bottom out. If we still look at the 12 hourly, right, we'll still see that everything is up. Can you see the divergence on the MACD is just about to dump, right? And so we know that more dumps was coming, right? As you can see, everything is moving downwards. We have a downward bearish divergence on the RSI, on the stock RSI, and even on the MACD, right? So don't be caught up in any FOMO in the market, right? Don't over leverage yourself. If you're leverage trading, just make sure, right, you're using very good leverage. As you can see, we're still expecting more downside. So this is just the update for you this morning, right? As you go through the market, we're still expecting a lot of downside even for the markets, right? So please don't get liquidated. Just make sure you stay within the boundaries if you want to short the market. For some of you that are shorting, as you can see, we're still below the EMA ribbons, right? So there's nothing bullish about the charts. There's nothing bullish about the charts, right? Everything is bearish. But be very vigilant, as we are getting very close to the bottom, right? We're getting very close to the bottom, and we'll soon have a bottoming structure here, right? And so stay blessed. Have a wonderful day, right? Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, right? If you like the analysis, right? Thank you.